Hey everyone, it's Melissa and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I will be making a bracelet with a few of the beads from the Great Bead Extravaganza Soft Flex Design Kit, Tree of Life. And these were the beads here that came in the mix. A couple of the spacer beads with crystals left over from one of the Soft Flex mystery kits. So I thought it paired really well with the beads. And then I had a couple of these Czech Glass left over. And then this beautiful charm here from Tiara Cast. And I will leave a link down below in the description box if it is still available on softflexcompany.com. And I will be using the fluorite wire. And this is the strand that was in the kit. So I kind of started designing my pattern here, just alternating between the olivine and the topaz colors. To start, I'm going to attach 2 jump rings to this redwood pendant, and on the back it says, "Not all those who wander are lost." And the reason why I'm using 2 jump rings is it's a really nice size charm. It can also be used as a small pendant. So I just want to make sure that it is supported. That's why I'm using the 2 jump rings. Open up your jump ring and slide it on. Give it a close. Make sure it's secure. Move my little lobster claw out of the way. We don't need that quite yet. We have jumping jump rings. And then open up the second one. Slide it on. And give it a close. And we have our charm. So now I'm going to cut about 8 inches of the soft flex wire. And this is in fluorite. We're going to slide on the charm. When I put a charm in the middle of my bracelet, I always like to start with it first and then build my bracelet on either side, or same thing with a necklace, just so you can, I don't know, it just seems to balance a little bit better. I'm going to slide on these little swirl beads, and these Czech Glass are still available on their website. So again, I will leave a link down below. I love this Tree of Life kit. It was so pretty. And even if the kit does sell out because they're always popular, there's so many other beads on their website that you can use that will work really well with the kit. I put their little beads on there for some sparkle, and then we're just going to alternate our beads. So a very sparkly Czech Glass bracelet. Very pretty with the colors. So I noticed my bracelet was a little bit on the small side, so I'm just going to add on a couple more beads, and these little green beads here were exclusive to the Tree of Life kit. Thought I'd add a little pop of sparkle to the end of the neck, or the end of the bracelet. I'll do the same thing on the other side. And then we're just going to go ahead and attach our clasp. We're going to use our silver 2x2s. Get 2 of those out. We're just going to slide on a 2x2. 1 6mm jump ring. We're going to loop back through that 2x2. And we're just going to go ahead and give it a little smash. And then we're just going to round. And also, if you ever wanted to change this design and make it into a necklace, you could just open up the jump ring, remove the lobster clasp, and then attach another piece of chain or soft flex wire. So we have a little bit of a tail, but it will tuck right in between the next bead here. And then we're just going to slide down the beads of our bracelet. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. Slide on our 2x2 and a jump ring. clasp back through our 2x2 and give it a pull. Attach on our lobster claw. Give it a close. And then open up our last little jump ring. And attach it to the other side. Give it a close. We have our beautiful tree bracelet with our crystals and our Czech glass. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe for other content and tutorials. Have a wonderful day.